Open French drain. What's the difference between an open French drain and a covered drain? A covered French drain has grass or some bed material over it, but an open French drain is a French drain where basically you excavate out all the dirt, you line the trench with the fabric, you put the pipe in it, and then you fill it full of stone. That's it. That's an open French drain. Nothing moves water better than an open French drain. We have a situation here where the building is down low and the water runs down the hill and they're getting water in the building. So we're excavating out a very large trench to create a very large open French drain. We're going to pick up some of the water that comes down off the roof from the downspouts as well. Water was actually getting in the building through this side entrance, the service door. And we're taking this open French drain out to the back where we have plenty of fall, plenty of slope. The water is going to move fast. We're going to move a high volume of water with this drain. And we're just taking it out back in the brushed area. This open French drain is a commercial style, commercial size. This wouldn't be your typical residential, but we have a commercial building and we have a lot of rooftop water and we sure have a lot of water coming down the grade. So this open French drain needs to be the size that it is to move the volume of water that we need to basically keep out of the building and redirect the water around the building to the back of the property. For a French drain system in Addison Township, Leonard, Ray, Bruce Township, Washington Township, Shelby Township, Oakland Township, Macomb Township, Washington Township, give us a call.